so welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting ready to do another apartment tour. We're getting ready to go look at, I can't remember the name of it, it'll be on the screen, but we're getting ready to go look at these apartments. They're brand new. I was actually invited by the community to come and tour the place today. They're doing like an open house situation, so we're gonna go check it out. If you have not heard, my name is Aphrodite Nichelle. I do apartment tours, decorating, cooking, vlogging, makeup, anything. I do it all here on this channel. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Leave me a comment or thumbs this video up if you like this kind of content, and I'll continue to create it for you. Make sure you guys are following me on social media, because that's where I be spilling all the tea about when I'm getting ready to do another video, all those types of things. I'll have it linked down below here. And I will make sure that I insert my Instagram here or whatever, so that you guys can see it, and make sure y'all follow me on there. But I'm trying to grow on Twitter. I don't really know Twitter like that, but I'm trying to know Twitter like that. So if you guys can help me out, that'd be great. But without further ado, we're gonna get on out of here. I'm actually getting ready to walk out the door right now. I'm dressed, everything ready to go. So we're gonna get out of here and get straight into the video. Okay guys, so in this video, we are touring the CALVERT. I just wanted to make sure I let you guys know ahead of time. This place is not finished yet, so they are still currently doing construction, but they're nearly done. They're expecting to be done like by the second week of February, so it's coming along nicely. I love this kitchen right here. This little built-in desk is just like so cute. Oh, and I'm actually doing a tour. This was an open house that they were given. So there's other people in this video, so of course I have to angle it a certain way to not show them. And you'll see that throughout the video, because I don't know any of these people that's here. That's just a disclaimer. So jumping right in, you get a farmhouse style sink. All the appliances are included, of course. There's an ice maker in the freezer. I asked them about that because this refrigerator did not have the ice maker on the door. Some units do though, which you'll see throughout this video. It does have fob entry, which you'll get, of course, upon moving. Right now, they have locks on the outside because they're still working on it. The trash cans are hidden, and it is valet. So it's trash and recycle that they have there, which I thought was really nice. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. This is the bedroom. And in this unit, the mirror is not up on the wall yet, but tons of storage in the bedroom. I'm sorry, in the bathroom. I love this cabinet in here. I love the colors. I love everything. Like, and I'm usually just like an all white cabinet kind of girl, but this one was really nice. The flooring, the shower, the everything, just so beautiful. This closet was such a good size for a 1-bedroom. Like, I can't even explain. That part right here that I'm showing you behind the door, that is so that if you have like long items like dresses, coats, they won't drag the floor. The washer and dryer is in there. It was not pushed against the wall yet because they're still working on it. And some units will have a shower, some will have a bathtub, but the shower has the shower and the seat. And I was asking about this mirror. Is it a framed mirror or just glass? It is actually a mirror with the light frame around it, which you'll see in another unit. But every unit has that mirror. So no matter which one you choose, you're going to get that beautiful mirror in the bathroom. And in these units, all of it is just flooring. No carpet, Honeywell powered thermostats, which I thought was really nice. This whole thing was just like, I mean, I would totally live here. 1-bedroom and everything. Like, it's just so pretty. But in this one, we're touring 1-bedrooms and 2-bedrooms. They have beautiful sized patios. It's just really nice. Sorry, my cat is running around. So as we go into the next unit, I don't believe we stay in this one. Yeah, we don't. There was another group touring that one, and it was actually the same layout as the one we just looked at. So we go to the next one here. And in this one, it is also a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but the layout is just slightly different. It has 2 entries into the bathroom. So you can enter through the hall or through your bedroom. which was a nice touch. It just makes it a little different. And this bathroom was bigger. It was just like wider, but this one also had the shower closet with the washer and dryer in it. Still some storage in the bathroom, which I thought was still nice that they still were able to incorporate that in there. And the closet again. All of them come with these built-ins. It's just like, seriously, this is such a nice touch. And it has the one for the tall clothes as well. This was just so, look at the floors. That bathroom floor. Like, come on. This one was actually one of my favorites because of the views, which you'll see in a moment. Aside from this building right here being in the way, the views, like I had to double back, like, wait a minute, do you see that? You're literally right there, like, to look at the skyline. Amazing, like, so nice. And we're just looking around and checking everything out, and they were talking to me, like asking me stuff, so I was just like giving them my opinion. And, like, I don't know why they just, I guess because I was like looking around and recording. Everybody actually had their phones out, but they were like asking me what do I think about different things, and I guess some of them knew me from YouTube, which I thought was nice. So shout out to you guys that was on this tour. Look at that kitchen. But this view, like I said, aside from that little building right there, which is like a QC catering, that's what it said it was. It was a really nice look. You can actually see the stadium from right here. Like at night, can you imagine at night what the views would look like? Oh, and it has the curtains and everything, the blinds and shades over there. And the kitchen does have a dishwasher. The ceiling fan is button operated. And they're separate, so you don't have to like pull it. It's all on the wall. These islands are gorgeous. I love the farmhouse sink, like the backsplash. It's just beautiful. I love the open cabinets, the open shelving. This one has a nice little storage closet by the front door. Just beautiful. So now we're going to the next unit. Okay, now this one, I know I said this about the last two, but I love this one. So even though the microwave is on the counter, this is actually, because it has to be handicap accessible, so that's why it's not mounted anywhere. It's just on the counter. But moving on, yes, do you see those windows? This is a 1-bedroom with a den. And when I say 1-bedroom with a den, it's basically 2 bedrooms. The view is not as nice as the other side of the building, but it is still really, really nice. This, and look at that. I know y'all see the wine storage. I know y'all see it. Look at the size of this patio. Like, I cannot complain about any of this. This is just really top tier in my book, in my opinion. Washer and dryer. Has a nice storage closet in this one. I love the storage above it. This is the den. Now, I guess because it's not really windows to outside, but it keeps you from feeling like you're just like in a room with no windows because of those windows there that lets in some light. The sliding doors. That's a big closet with the sliding doors. It has built-in shelves in there. This is just like, this would be perfect for me, to be honest, because it has the 1-bedroom with the den. That's the mirror I was talking about. Did y'all see that mirror? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you again. This shower has the tub and it has the 2 handles, and that's because, like I said, it has to be accessible. But storage, mirror, that mirror in every unit, they went all out. That's all I'm saying. The floors, gorgeous. So it's 1 bedroom, a den, and I believe just the 1 bathroom. Yes, 1 bathroom. That mirror, I just wanted to make sure y'all saw that. The storage in there, amazing. Like, it's really, really good. Oh, and these rooms do fit a king size bed with 2 nightstands. I checked that because I was interested for myself, to be honest. And again, another nice size closet. beautiful. Like, yes. So here I'm just asking him about the floors. And I'm sorry, asking him about the size of the room and can it fit a king size bed. And of course, you're able to come and measure if you need to, just to make sure that your furniture would fit nicely in there. You are allowed to mount on the walls. There are outlets up high, and just to make sure that you have everything you need so that everything looks seamless. Like, they're really setting you up to live nicely. Like, it's a really, really nice place. Okay, now we're going into the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units. Love that there was these shelving when you walk right in. Kitchen was smaller on this one, but I guess it's to make up for the fact that there's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Still, you get the farmhouse sinks, you get all the appliances. Again, the microwave is mounted. This one did not have the same beautiful view. I'll show you in a second, but you look to the left, you can still see part of the stadium, but you got to kind of like step out there, you see? Yeah, not much of a view, but still nice size patio, nice size living room area, built in for the wine rack. All of the units come with that same light fixture over the countertop. Storage in the hall, washer and dryer, and this one is a top load, but some of them have top load, some have front load, but that storage is, like I said, great. This is the closet. Look, that is like a really nice closet. This is a nice size room, very spacious, built-ins as well. Great size bathroom. Like, if you had a roommate, this would be great. That with the cabinets in there, tons of storage, seating. They really went all out with these. Like, these are really nice. I think the guy that was showing us around, he was really like trying to make sure he was telling me everything. He did a really great job. They were really helpful during this whole tour. Like, and then after it was over, they were asking a lot of questions and they were just answering all of them. This closet was a little bit smaller, so I guess if you like had a child, maybe they have less stuff or smaller stuff. Look at that mirror. Great. Okay, like the cutout for the products was so cute to me. I don't even know if I'll have products in it. I'll probably have a little plant or something there, but really nice. I could definitely see myself living in any one of these units that we toured. But let me tell you guys some of the things about this place. For starters, they require 3 times the rent to actually qualify for these units. I didn't see any that was less than $1,400, I believe, at the time. But prices do change. That's why, again, I'm going to say it in this video as well as I did in the last one. I do not say the prices because of the price change. It changes at any moment, so I do not say that. I will list it all. I will have the place linked down below, but I will not say the prices. Going into another 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Nice little cutout at the entry. I love where the wine rack was placed on this one. It's just, I feel like I can make that really aesthetically pleasing. Nice countertop. I love that the countertop does not have the sink in it. Like, I love that it's up against the wall. This was actually one of my favorite units because of the pantry. I definitely need pantry space in my home because I cook a lot, so that was really nice to me. This one, again, does not have the ice maker and water on the door, but it does have an ice maker in the freezer. Beautiful view in this one. Like, nighttime, I can only imagine. I love how they did the shelves in the kitchen. I love the floors. I love how these blinds, they are actually functional and they're inside the door, so you don't have to like pull them with like the string or anything like that. You can just swipe them up and swipe them back down. Just really pretty. Nice spacious space for the living room. Like, I literally walked in this place and decorated it. So if y'all need help decorating, when y'all move in here, call your girl, because I'm so wanting to decorate this place. This is like really nice. I don't know why my cat just swung at me. I'm sorry. Let's see. Closet. Oh, and that white box in there, that's where you would hook up your internet. And they do, I can't recall who the internet provider that they actually use is, but I think, matter of fact, it is Spectrum. They go with Spectrum there. So you get that. You have the option to get your own, but I believe they have one that you can use for there. But if you need it stronger, you're allowed to get your own, but still through Spectrum. Like I said, those dots in the closet, in the shower, those are just because they're still working on these units. The door is not up in this one. It's still being worked on, but they are doing open houses, so you probably can't just go there and tour at any time, but you can come to their open houses. So, oh, that mirror was broken. They're gonna have to come fix that. So yeah, like I said, a lot of work still to be done, but still, I mean, I cannot express enough. This place was gorgeous. And I believe it's at 600 Calvert. That's the address, but it's called the Calvert. And then there's still the washer and dryer up front and the closet upon entry. So you get a lot. You get a lot for your money in this place. Okay, so we're getting ready to leave out of this one. And I just wanted to come on here really quick because in the next slide, next and last slide, he's going to show us the package room where you would get your packages. It's like a parcel pending, if you guys are familiar with that. Then he shows us where the gym and yoga studio will be, because the gym is on one level and then the next level up has a yoga studio. And then there's no pool here, but upstairs on the 5th floor, there will be like a sky lounge area with a view of the skyline, and it's just really nice. But I wanted to let you guys know that I do have another apartment tour coming up following this one, so make sure you're subscribed and turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss out, because I'm trying to hook you guys up right before tax season. A lot of places do 1 to 2 months free, so make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.